Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're making a Mediterranean style ravioli. This is a great dish to make if you're getting tired of red sauce or cream sauce or something like that. We got a lot of great Mediterranean flavors and you really don't even need to serve it with the protein. That's how good this is. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 8 to 10 ounces of fresh ravioli. Now it's entirely up to you on what they're filled with. I'm going to use cheese. We also need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 cup of sun-dried tomatoes chopped, 1 cup of artichoke hearts chopped, a tablespoon of garlic minced, 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and 2 cups of spinach. Now when it comes to cooking the raviolis, just cook them how you normally do. We're going to start by heating up a few tablespoons of our olive oil over a medium heat. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to go in with our sun-dried tomatoes and we're going to saute these up for about a minute. Then in with our artichokes, we're going to go about another minute on those as well. Then our garlic and our Italian seasoning. And we're going to go about another 30 seconds. And then our spinach, and we're going to cook this until it wilts. All right, it's just about done. We're going to give it a few cracks of fresh salt and pepper. And if you think that the oil is not enough in there, feel free to add a little bit more to it. We don't want this too oily, but this is our sauce as well. All right, and that is our sauce. We're gonna throw our ravioli in. We're gonna toss it to coat, and then I will meet you back at the cutting board. To plate this, we have a nice big round plate. We're just gonna take a couple of our ravioli. We're gonna go dead center, just like that. Make sure we're getting some of that wonderful spinach and artichokes, just like that. I'll give it a little bit more of the stuff, because that's where the flavor is. That's what makes this delicious. We're gonna garnish it with a little bit of freshly shredded Parmesan cheese, just like that. All right, let's get a taste. All right, let's get a bite. The ravioli is perfectly cooked, nice and al dente. But that sauce with the Mediterranean flavors from the artichokes and the spinach and the sun-dried tomatoes, this is really good. It's not overpowering. You're not gonna feel too full and gross after eating it because there's nothing really in here, like cream or anything like that. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I have a channel for that as well. I'll drop a link in the description. And if you'd like to support the channel, I have a Patreon. I'll drop a link down in the description for that as well. Thank you. We'll see you in the next one.